We all have heard about the world's tallest Lord Murugan statue, which is there in Malaysia. Every year, crores of people visit to this Batu Caves in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to seek the blessings of Lord Muruga. But I was very surprised when I came to know about the world's tallest Murugan statue is getting ready in our India itself. That too in Tamil Nadu in a place called as Salem. It's very near to Salem. So one fine evening on my way back from Salem to Chennai, on highway I just came to know about this Lord Murugan statue and we thought that we could have a view. So the same thing I would like to share with you. While approaching towards this Lord Murugan statue, which is getting built near a place called as Vanampadi near to Salem, you can see it's a very big statue. So I started searching whether this statue is tallest than the statue which is existing in Malaysia. Then I was very surprised to know that in Malaysia it is only 140 feet, whereas in India, which is the hometown of Lord Muruga, actually here it is the tallest statue which is getting built is 146 feet. It means this is the tallest statue in the world of Lord Murugan. As you can see that it is the tallest statue. Nearby lot of temples are getting built which are very smaller in size. As you can see from down to the top, it is 146 feet. It has got a few steps. So these steps we can climb and move towards the Lord Murugan. On the side, which you can see, there is a lift which is getting ready. And this is the view in the front side where an open ground is there. And some of the smaller temples are getting built. Again moving towards Lord Murugan statue. The lift which I showed you now is for Kumbha Abhishekam, which is getting built, so that near to Lord Murugan statue we can go and a Kumbha Abhishekam can be performed. So this is the front view. You can see that people are looking very small, like a tiny, like an ant they are looking in front of Lord Muruga. You can see a small miniature and the big huge statue is there. Moving towards the other premises which is there in the front, a small shops would be coming here and the ground is there. Nearby a hill is there, a small hill, and even a temple is also getting ready over here. This place is just in a getting ready mode. If we zoom it and go near closer, steps is visible. You can see how the people walking over there are very small and tiny. So the statue is very huge. Right now it is in a verge of getting ready where coloring is happening for Lord Muruga. This is the back side view. We can walk around and see it's a huge statue. So you can see the person who is coloring actually the statue of Lord Murugan is very small. This is the flower or a mala or a garland which is from top to bottom it is coming. We can see down a small, another sculpture is getting ready. The artist is coloring the sculpture. So these kind of small sculptures would be placed in the sides of the temple so that it will look more and more beautiful. So this is the garland. It is also very huge. We can see the minute creativity of the artist. This is the back view. In the mountains we can see at the back there is also a Murugan temple on the top of the mountain. Side view, all the other small sculptures are getting ready. So next time whenever you pass from Salem, whenever you come to this is a must to visit place, as the world's largest Murugan statue is getting built here. In couple of months it will be ready. So this is the miniature. After completion, this is how the Lord Murugan statue will be looking like.